3. My fire alarm time. I think it's gonna go off in like any minute now after I pulled this alarm. Let me just reset it. There it goes. There it goes. My fire alarm bell is gonna go off now. It sounds like a chime. Did I get the wrong? Yeah, I think I got the wrong one. This is a march time. Wait. Okay, this is actually made by the same company. This little chime. I love it. This chime was super good to use. I love it. I would do a system test. In our backyard, it is full of trash. Back here. Look, back here. It's made out of trash.